brave learner. Today we enter the kingdom of Python, where every program must face one ancient question. If this be true, what shall happen? That, my friend, is the soul of conditions. In Python, a condition is like a royal judge. It asks, is this true or false? And based on the answer, Python chooses what to do. Example, age equals 18. If age is greater than or equal to 18, print, you may enter the kingdom. Python reads it like this. If age is greater than or equal to 18, then allow this noble person to enter. Act 2, the mighty if. The if statement means, if this condition is true, do this. Gold equals 100. If gold is greater than or equal to 50, print, you are rich, my lord. The knight looked into his pouch. If he had at least 50 gold coins, the kingdom would call him rich. Act 3, the dark else. But what if the condition is false? Then comes else. Gold equals 20. If gold is greater than or equal to 50, print, you are rich, my lord. Else, print, you are poor, but still noble. Python thinks, if gold is 50 or more, print the first message. Otherwise, print the second message. Act 4, the clever elif. Sometimes life has more than two paths, not just rich or poor. That is where elif enters the stage. Elif means else if gold equals 40. If gold is greater than or equal to 100, print, you are a king. Elif gold is greater than or equal to 50, print, you are a noble lord. Else, print, you are a humble villager. Python checks from top to bottom. Is gold 100 or more? If not, is gold 50 or more? If not, go to else. Act 5, the royal comparison operators. Conditions usually use comparison operators. They are the royal symbols Python uses to compare things. Double equals means equal to. Example, age equals 18. Exclamation mark equals means not equal to. Example, name is not equal to Hamlet. Greater than means one value is bigger than another. Example, gold is greater than 100. Less than means one value is smaller than another. Example, gold is less than 100. Greater than or equal to means bigger than or exactly the same. Example, age is greater than or equal to 18. Less than or equal to means smaller than or exactly the same. Example, age is less than or equal to 12. Now the prince enters the story. King equals Hamlet. If king is equal to Hamlet, print, the prince has arrived. Important, a single equals sign means assign value. It stores something. But double equals means compare value. It asks a true or false question. Example, name equals Hamlet means store the value Hamlet inside name. But name equals Hamlet means ask whether name is equal to Hamlet. Act 6, the great indentation law. Python is strict, like a royal palace guard. This works, weather equals rainy. If weather is equal to rainy, print, take your cloak. Why does it work? Because the print line is indented. That indentation tells Python, this line belongs inside the condition. But this is wrong. Weather equals rainy. If weather is equal to rainy, print, take your cloak. Why is it wrong? Because the line after if must be indented. Without indentation, Python gets confused. It is like a guard saying, who gave this command? So remember, in Python, indentation is not decoration. Indentation is law. Act 7, and, or, and not. These are logic words. They help Python make smarter decisions. First comes and. And means both conditions must be true. Age equals 20. has ticket equals true. If age is greater than or equal to 18 and has ticket is true, print enter the theatre. Meaning, if the person is 18 or older and has a ticket, let them enter. Both gates must open. Now comes or. Or means only one condition needs to be true. Is king equals false. Is prince equals true. If is king is true or is prince is true, print, you may sit at the royal table. Meaning, if he is king or prince, allow him. Only one royal bloodline is enough. The deep meaning. A condition is not just code. A condition is choice. Without conditions, programs are blind. They only move forward. But with conditions, programs can think. If the user is old enough, allow. If the password is correct, log in. If the player has enough health, fight. If the bank balance is low, warn. If the student passed, celebrate. Conditions give your program a brain.